In this video, I will show you step by step how you make $5,000 per month promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys step by step which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. I will show you my method that I'm using to find profitable affiliate links. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business and how you can create an affiliate account like this one and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't want to miss this free information and methods that I will share for free. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, this commission $150,270 took me almost 2 years. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links and I'm still making commission, and in this month I have over here in my balance $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and of course I will still get more commission. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates and want to create an account, you just need to go to Google. Okay, so let me show you. Go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Scroll down, you need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username and your password. Account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country. You can find your country here and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. As you can see, it's super easy. Anyone can sign up just in few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and you need to search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's a really easy and simple. So let me show you, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your Pinterest homepage. Okay, so what you will do, so let me show you first. So why I choose Pinterest? Because did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? 1 billion monthly visitors, 1 billion people per month visiting Pinterest. Every single month, 1 billion people visiting Pinterest. That's a big number. Okay, so that's why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, millions of people every single day searching for services and products on Pinterest. Okay, so anyways, after you finish, go back to your home page again to Fiverr, and I want you to pay attention in this step. I will share with you guys which affiliate link you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search and you will search for Pinterest optimization. Okay, so why I choose this service? Because a lot of people who are using Pinterest and they want to grow their Pinterest account, they will be interested to buy this service. So this service is related to Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest optimization, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, so for let's take this one as an example. This one is level 2 seller, 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. This service is just starting from 20 bucks, as you can see, $20. So what you will do, you will copy this profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, and click on default and deep links. Okay, and click over here like this and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest, click on home feed, okay, and click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page. You need to upload a picture about this service that you want to promote. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, and upload this picture to your laptop. Double click, save image, and I will name it traffic, for example. Go to Pinterest, click here, upload this picture. Okay, it's super easy. And here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. Okay, so what you will do, you will put your title, your description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this, go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. This is his description. Okay, copy this part. I will copy this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. It's super easy. Scroll down, click on choose a board. Okay, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name. It's super easy and you can create as many as you want. I will choose, for example, this one, Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Okay, go back to this seller profile page. Okay, keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keywords that you should use. Copy those keywords. Okay, and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here, and make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, because those keywords are very important, and if you have a new account, you should use a lot of keywords. Okay, Pinterest pin, you will copy this one, and after you finish, click over here on, so let me show you, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and this is the method that I'm using. And if you stay consistent and you promote affiliate links every single day and grow your Pinterest account, you will start making money and you will start getting commission with Fiverr affiliate program. It's super easy and you don't need to use just Pinterest. Check my other videos. I show you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Okay, and of course for free, using just free traffic. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.